Hey, it's Ryan from Upfit Supply, and we just picked up a new to us 2014 Ram ProMaster 3500. It's the 159 wheelbase, which of course has the high roof, not the extended, so we're a little bit shorter here behind the rear wheel wells. But this is it. It was high mileage, used for expediting. You can see there's just this typical scratches that you get from loading skids and whatnot in here. You can also see that there's just quite a bit of damage to these factory panels that were included on the lower part of these walls. Probably provided a little bit of protection, but just completely worn out. I think every single one of them is cracked or broken in some way. You can even see these scratches here on the walls that are a little bit higher as well. As we take a look inside here, one other thing to point out, we also have these dings here on the wheel wells, just because they're exposed here and they didn't put any covers in here. We have some DIY upfitting here with, I think this is just a garage type of hook that we put here on the lip here. They did add a heater back here so that they could expedite, make deliveries, and then actually sleep back here in the van. Now, my favorite add-on that they added to this van was this custom bulkhead partition. It's made out of a curtain here and hung on some rope. And of course, to make it easy, they split it so you got a nice walk through here into the cab. And of course, I'm joking a little bit here on this. This is extremely dangerous, especially if you're hauling some heavy cargo back here. It's not completely secure. You have to slam on the brakes, whatever it is. So, not a huge fan of that. Not too much going on up here in the cab. Pretty good condition. I want to take a look at the outside, but before we go out there, I just want you to remember this broken panel right here and that little dent. So let's go ahead and take a look at the exterior. And I don't know how well this shows up on the video, but you can see kind of here in the wall, you've got all these little dings and dents here just from cargo moving around. And of course, I told you to remember that mark on the inside. And man, had a nice little impact there. They put some type of paint or gum or something over that, but you can just see that throughout the van, all of the dings and the dents, unfortunately. Other than that, it runs pretty well. We're looking forward to giving it some new life, completely renovating it from top to bottom, a brand new upfit on the inside, a bunch of different shelving options. We're going to put a couple of different floors in there for you, show you what those look like. We're going to give it a full liner package, as well as a real bulkhead partition that you can walk through and secure. A couple of different ladder racks. We got a lot planned for this vehicle. Hopefully it looks a whole lot different when you see it when we're done. Now, again, if you're looking for any products to make your van look a little bit better than this, Upfit the vehicle so it's ready for work, be sure to check us out at upfitsupply.com. Again, my name is Ryan, and have a good one.